After wash and dry and then hand touch, still can see the very not good condition, right? The ribbon spool, I used the old one. Also ribbon, I used the old one. Ribbon spool also has rust a lot. Then I cleaned the typeface. Also I cleaned the keycap using this one, with the alcohol and some cleaning stuff. So when I bought this one, it looks like came from the under the earth or under the tree, like more than 80 or 90 years there. So that's why I wash this one instead of just blow out dust, because there is no choice to totally everything stop. And then even though this pattern is stuck with the, see this one, the paper roller, the flat, this part is totally flat because it's stuck with the pattern. Also you see this flat part, see, yeah, it's like yeah, it looks like trashy, but I wash after that, getting better, and then I dry. After dry, I clean everything by hands using a lot of stuff. This serial number, see here, a little bit more. See the P, and then 14, I think 88, then 42. According to the Typewriter database, it was manufactured 1929. This called the P model, model P typewriter. There are two types of P model, like until 1930, it's like open this area. This is the early version. After 1930, they are like covered here, covered frame. I got another one. I'll show you the later compare with this, but today I want to just focus this one. Then it's paint already gone a lot, and but the still margin setup working very smoothly, and then the backspace working good, and then margin release working good, and then key, shift key lock working good, then shift key working good. So every key working except B, and then the period sometime it will stop. If we hit like this, it's okay. See, it's a P. But when I bought this letter like bent totally, so I tried to little bit like this. After that, getting better. Anyway, right now it's everything works except this flat part, and then behind the flat part. Let's look at the bottom. So actually it's on the wood base, under the wood base. I want to take off, but this front two I can unscrew, but the bottom, the two, it's totally stuck. So that's why I broke the base, wooden base. Then to make even, I put back this two screw again. So someday I will unscrew this part, and then I can easily unscrew this one, and then I put some feed. Okay, some lost parts. I think I found two of them, and then except that it's every spring working good. Yeah. Okay. A beautiful color, but actually this typewriter born again. Okay, let's just see some sample typing. Okay. Thank you for watching.